Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 1-3. So we're given two equations and we're required to solve for x and y simultaneously. There are many alternative methods that we can use here, but I'll just do one which I think is the easiest one. Remember, I said that when you're creating equation 3, avoid creating what? Fractions, or avoid creating equations with fractions. Okay, so that's the alternative method I'm going to use. I'm going to create equation 3 using equation, let's name this one 1, 2, let's call this one equation 1, and then xy is equal to 20, let's call it equation 2. We're going to create equation 3 using equation 1 and avoid creating fractions. So we're going to isolate x. So from here we can see that x is equal to negative 3 plus 2y. If you transpose negative 2y to the right hand side, it becomes positive 2y. So it's positive 2y minus 3. You see that? That's equation 3. We have avoided creating fractions here. And then where there is x, we are going to put 2y minus 3. So it's 2y minus 3 times y is equal to 20. In that 2y squared minus 3y is equal to 20. Now we have to get our standard form. So it's 2y squared minus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0. So we have our standard form there. So we're looking for the factors of what we do here. We have to multiply 2y squared times negative 20. You get negative 40y squared. And then we look for the factors of negative 40. That will give us what? Negative 3. So this negative here means that one factor is negative and the other factor is positive. And then this one here means that the bigger factor is actually negative. So 40, we can have 1 and 40. This combination cannot give us a 3. We have 2 and 20. This combination cannot give us a 3. We have 4 and 10. This combination cannot give us a 3. And then we have 5 and 8. See, this combination can give us a 3. If 8 is negative and y is positive. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. And then negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. Remember, looking for the factors of negative 40y squared. So it should be positive 5y and negative 8y. So we have 2y squared minus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, take note, the coefficient of y squared here is not 1, so it's 2. So we cannot just create two brackets and put the factors now. We have to do it the longer way. We replace negative 3y with these two factors. We replace this one with these two. So it's 2y squared plus 5y minus 8y minus 20 is equal to 0. And then we factorize by grouping in pairs. So the first pair, the highest common factor is y, so it becomes 2y plus 5. And then the second pair, the highest common factor is negative 4, and then becomes 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, we have two terms here with the highest common factor of 2y plus 5. We factor it out, the bracket 2y plus 5. And then the other second bracket, we're going to have y minus 4. Y minus 4 is equal to 0. And then from this, we can see that, therefore, 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, or y minus 4 is equal to 0. Right, therefore, 2y is equal to negative 5, meaning that y is equal to negative 5 divided by 2, or y is equal to 4 if you transpose that. Okay. Right, now we have the values of y. So if y is equal to negative 5 over 2, let's use this equation. What is x? X is equal to 2 times negative 5 over 2 minus 3. So it means x is equal to 2 into 2, 1, we remain with negative 5. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. If y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2 times 4 minus 3, which is 8 minus 3, x is equal to 5. So actually here we have negative 8 and then negative 5 over 2, and then we have 5 and 4. Okay, so we have the values of y and x. We're done.